the races on Skylight in a knee-jerking beginning. Panglawilan shout for Joy Sahara Knights. One Rockwell Donnelly inside. Second as Aras, and Parlodi Ori is running at the tail of the field by about 8 lengths from the leader back to the front run. One Rockwell alongside is the favorite. Shout for Joy. Panglaw Island Sahara Knights is racing 4th, 5th alongside Skylight, Aras, and Parlodi Ori now taking second last and rounding the far turn. One Rockwell by Hapland. Shout for Joy Sahara Knights is closing in third wheel with Skylight. Panglaw Island Parlodi Ori is running by the line, still moving up as they race upon a corner. Shout for Joyce, now the leader. One Rockwell, Skylight, Sahara Knights, Parlodi Ori also rushing up. Shout for Joy, Parlodi Ori, and the inside. Shout for Joy, Parlodi Ori, to grab the lead, and finally Parlodi Ori overpowering the opponent. Shout for Joy, Skylight, One Rockwell, Sahara Knight, Aras, and Panglawilan comes last.